Welcome back to Athlytop, where we will uncover the secrets of the mind to help you achieve your weight loss goals. In today's video, we'll reveal 7 powerful psychology tips that will trick your brain into losing weight and burning calories. These secrets will reshape your mindset and pave the way for successful weight loss. Let's get started. Number 1. Mastering portion control. In the first section, we'll explore the art of portion control and how it can profoundly impact your weight loss journey. Portion control is about being mindful of the amount of food you consume, which can lead to significant calorie reduction without sacrificing satisfaction. Using smaller plate sizes capitalizes on a psychological trick called the Delboeuf illusion. When you serve your meals on a smaller plate, it creates an illusion of a fuller plate, satisfying your brain's visual cues and leading to feelings of satiety with smaller portions. This technique can be particularly effective in reducing overeating, as your brain perceives the smaller portion as sufficient. Practicing mindful eating is essential and involves paying full attention to your eating experience. By slowing down and savoring each bite, you engage your senses and become more attuned to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This helps you recognize when you're genuinely satisfied, preventing overconsumption. Mindful eating also encourages a deeper appreciation for the flavors and textures of your food, enhancing overall satisfaction. Number 2. Using visual cues to your advantage. Our second section focuses on leveraging visual cues to your advantage for effective weight management. The color and arrangement of your food can significantly influence your eating experience and satisfaction. Using contrasting plate colors exploits the Gestalt principle of figure ground. By using plates with contrasting colors to your food, you create a visual separation that draws attention to the food itself. For instance, placing colorful vegetables on a white plate makes them stand out more, nudging you to prioritize healthier choices. This strategy helps your brain focus on the nutritious components of your meal, promoting better eating habits. Arranging food aesthetically can help, as humans are naturally drawn to visually appealing presentations. When you arrange your food in an aesthetically pleasing manner, you trigger your brain's reward centers. This enhances the enjoyment you derive from your meals, making you more satisfied with the eating experience. As a result, you're less likely to feel deprived and more likely to continue making mindful food choices. Number 3. Mindful eating and slowing down. Mindful eating is a powerful practice that can transform your eating habits and support your weight loss goals. When you eat mindfully, you bring awareness to the entire eating experience, from the taste and texture of the food to the act of chewing and swallowing. Mindful eating prompts you to differentiate between emotional hunger, eating for comfort or stress relief, and physical hunger, eating because your body needs nourishment. By tuning into your body's cues, you can make informed choices about when and what to eat, preventing impulsive and unhealthy eating habits. Savoring each bite is also important, as it encourages you to eat with intention and attention. By slowing down the pace at which you eat, you allow your brain and digestive system to sync up. This synchronization enables your brain to receive signals of satiety from your stomach, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Moreover, the act of chewing thoroughly aids digestion and promotes the release of satiety hormones. Number 4. Harnessing the power of habits. Habits play a significant role in weight loss success, and understanding the psychology behind habit formation can help you create a supportive environment for your journey. Habit stacking capitalizes on the principle of habit integration. By linking a new habit to an existing one, you create a seamless routine that requires less mental effort. This is because the brain associates the existing habit with a specific context, making it easier to incorporate the new habit. For example, following your morning glass of water with a healthy breakfast reinforces a positive chain of actions. It is essential to celebrate achievements, no matter how small, as this triggers the release of dopamine, the brain's feel-good neurotransmitter. This creates a positive association with the behavior you want to reinforce, making it more likely to be repeated. Celebrating your progress, whether it's sticking to your meal plan for a week or reaching a fitness milestone, strengthens the neural pathways associated with positive behaviors, solidifying your commitment to your weight loss goals. Number 5. Reprogramming your brain with positive affirmations. Our 5th section focuses on the power of positive affirmations to reprogram your brain for weight loss success. Affirmations are positive statements that can shift your mindset and beliefs about yourself. Creating affirmations that resonate with your weight loss goals and values reinforces a positive self-image. When you repeat these affirmations daily, you're effectively rewiring your brain to adopt more empowering beliefs. Over time, these beliefs become ingrained, shaping your attitudes and behaviors towards weight loss. Negative self-talk can hinder progress. By replacing self-doubt and critical thoughts with positive affirmations, you cultivate self-confidence and self-compassion. This shift in your internal dialogue creates a more supportive mental environment, bolstering your motivation and resilience on your weight loss journey. Number 6. Utilizing social support and accountability. Social support and accountability are vital on your weight loss journey. Humans are inherently social beings, and having a support system can significantly impact your motivation and commitment to your goals. Joining online communities provides a sense of belonging and connection with individuals who share similar goals. Sharing your progress, challenges, and successes creates a platform for encouragement and advice. The accountability within these communities encourages you to stay on track and provides a network of support during tough times. Finding an accountability partner can also add a personal touch to your journey. This partner can be a friend, family member, or colleague who is also committed to their own goals. Regular check-ins, celebrating achievements, and offering motivation helps you create a dynamic that holds both of you accountable. This mutual commitment keeps you focused and energized, making your weight loss journey less isolating and more enjoyable. Number 7. Celebrating non-scale victories. Our final section focuses on celebrating non-scale victories as a means of keeping your motivation high and promoting a positive mindset. While the scale provides one form of measurement, it doesn't capture the holistic changes you experience during your weight loss journey. Non-scale victories include improved energy levels, enhanced mood, better sleep quality, and increased physical fitness. These achievements provide a broader perspective of your progress and help you appreciate the positive impact of your efforts beyond just weight loss. By celebrating non-scale victories, you shift your perspective from weight as the sole measure of success. This shift promotes self-acceptance and fosters a more positive relationship with your body. Embracing these achievements enhances your overall well-being and reinforces the understanding that your weight loss journey is about holistic self-improvement. And there you have it, 7 secret psychology tips to trick your brain into losing weight and burning calories. By implementing these strategies, you'll create a sustainable and positive approach to weight loss. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on weight loss and personal growth. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.